Hello, welcome to SVA Design. In this episode, I will start the design with the connecting rod for the engine that we're going to make. As I said in a previous video, the connecting rod to stroke ratio, the connecting rod length to stroke ratio will be a 2:1, and we already decided that we're going to have a stroke of 70 millimeters. So we need to make a connecting rod that's 140 millimeters long. So without further ado, let's get into it, and yeah, that's it. So to start off, we first need to know what the dimensions need to be for the connecting rod. So the top half, where the pin goes through to connect the connecting rod with the piston, we first need to know what this circle radius is. So we select this surface and click on sketch, and then you use the circular tool, and from the center you can see that it's a 12.5 millimeter radius, and to see what the outer ring needs to be, 15.5, in order not to touch these grooves. So 12.5, 15.5. So that's the first thing we're gonna do. So to start with the connecting rod, go to new part, okay. Then you select sketch and you select top plane, and from out the center, these two red arrows are the center, or the origin, I'm sorry. You select a 12.5 in radius. It's at 1.5, I meant 12.5 in radius, and around that same circle, it's 15.5. And as we said, we make a 140 mil connecting rod length. So we need to make this one 140. So if you don't pay attention, you can see that the dimensions change. Instead of it's supposed to be 25, but it's a 69.73. So now we can change the diameters again, and we can put it back at a 12.5. And also with the outer circle, 15.5. And I hope that if we fix them now, fix, and also add the dimensions to them, 25, yes. Now they were, I hope they would really stay 25, 31, and 25. Yeah. So please do the same. If you do the same, then your sketch won't change, and you also have the correct entities, the correct dimensions all the time. So for the bottom circle, and anyway, that's how you that's also how you measure the con rod length, from the center of the bottom circle to the center of the top circle. So from the pin to the crankshaft. It's not from right here to the top of here or anything. It's from the center of this circle to the center of this circle. So from the bottom circle, we'll use, let's say, what dimension would work? If I go with, let's say 30. Yeah, 30 would work. 6 centimeter diameter. So we'll select this line and we click offset entities, and let's say we do it in both directions. Yeah, centimeter would work. I'm gonna make it a little bit wider than a centimeter. Let's say we go 12.5. Yeah, that would work. It's a little bit better. And we'll also use the offset entities on this bottom circle, but not in both directions, only toward the outside. And instead of 12.5, make it 5 millimeter. Let's say 7.5, a little bit thicker. Yep. So now we got the basic sketch laid out for the connecting rod. With the trim entities tool, you can trim all the sketches that you don't need for to boss extrude eventually. So now we're gonna boss extrude this surface this sketch for about 2 millimeters, let's say 2.5. To go back to the sketch, as you can see, the 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 connecting rod needs to fit in this gap between these two surfaces. So I think I made them 30 mil apart from each other. Sketch, convert entities, yeah, and from here to here must be 30. So yeah, it's exactly 30. So you can now go back to the connecting rod and also save the parts that you made. Connecting rod, save. Yep. So in order for this connecting rod to fit within the piston, we need to make this part right here 30 millimeters, and it needs to be 30 millimeters wide. So to do that, you can select the bottom face to sketch on, and from the origin, the outer line. Oh, selected the wrong face. Select the bottom face, sketch. You select the outer circle and the inner circle, so the 15.5 mil with the 12.5 mil, and you do boss extrude in this direction, and let's say 15 because we're gonna mirror it to both sides. So once you mirror it, mirror, bodies to mirror, select the whole body, and this will be a 30 mil. The width will be 30 millimeters. Select the bottom face, click on sketch, select the circular tool. From out the center of the two circles, select the inner circle and the outer circle, both of them. Go to convert entities and select the whole face and click on convert entities. From there, now you can click boss extrude, select that face the other way around, and let's say we're going to make it a 10 millimeter. I think this should be a little bit thicker than 2 millimeter, I think it is. So you can click right here on the first boss extrude that we used. Right click it, click on edit feature, and instead of 2.5, let's say we make it 4 millimeter. It's a little bit better. So click on extrude tool, select this surface right here, and click on convert entities, offset entities, select the two outer lines, don't select the chain, reverse, and let's say make it 2. So once you click convert entities, delete the two circle roll shapes that are on the top and the bottom part of the rectangle, and click on offset entities, reverse, and instead of 2 millimeters, let's say we make it 4. Yeah, 4 work. Then you can click on convert entities, select the top ring, select the bottom ring, and click on OK. So now we have these 3 surfaces that we can choose which one to extrude, and we'll do the 2 outer ones. And let's say we'll extrude 7.5. Yeah. Oh, that's a little bit too much from this side. Let's say up the surface wrong here. up to surface, select this surface, and then go match. Select the surface again, click offset entities from the circle, from the bottom circle. Let's say we'll make another circle that is about 2.5. No, 2.5 is a little bit too low. Let's say 4mm ones. Again, that's 4mm from the inside circle. Then you can click on boss extrude, and let's say we'll drag that out, so another 2.5mm. So this would basically already be a connecting rod, and it's in Solidworks we can already use it as a connecting rod. But let's say we make it look a little bit more professional. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next episode. And that's it. See you guys next time.